Welcome to Essay Planning World. How to earn more money or how to increase your monthly salary. The PMP certified professionals can earn 25% more money than the others who don't have this certification. Today let us see what is PMP, why is PMP and how it's PMP certification in detail. Let's go in detail. Supercharge your skills and work smarter and the new PMP certification. The Project Management Professional PMP is the world's leading project management certification. It supercharges careers for project leaders across industries and helps organizations find the people they need to work smarter and perform better. Take the PMP certification exam at home or in your office when it fits your schedule. What's the PMP? Research indicates that the employers will need to fill nearly 2.2 million new project-oriented roles each year through 2027. This means skilled project professionals are in high demand. The PMP certification is designed by project professionals and for project professionals validates that who are among the best highly skilled in. PMP certification validates that you have the project leadership skills employers seek. Let's see what the benefits to get a PMP certification. There are 8 main reasons to get the PMP certified of you. Stand out from the crowd, better job opportunities, handle challenging projects, more weight to your resume, globally recognition certification, increases salary potential, upgrades your leadership skills, personal accomplishment. Why the PMP? The PMP adds value. CIO magazine ranked the PMP as the top project management certification in the world because it demonstrates you have the specific skills employers seek, dedication to the excellence and the capacity to perform at the highest levels. The PMP delivers benefits. The median salary for project professionals in global industry is 25% higher than those without having this certification. Now, how to get your PMP certification? Earning your PMP certification is a commitment. Do you have a real project management experience that lead to success? Great, you have finished the hardest part. Before you apply, make sure you meet the following sets of PMP certification requirements. Category A. If you have a 4-year graduation degree, then you and with that, if you have a 36 months of leading or 3 years of projects experience and 35 hours of project management training experience, then yes, you can go for the PMP certification. And category B, if you have a diploma, then you need to have 5 years of project experience and 35 hours of project management certification training. Then yes, of course, you can go for the PMP certification. Now these are the clear-cut steps to become a PMP certified. There are 8 steps. Step number 1, enroll PMP course. You can enroll PMP course with any institution. And step number 2, attend the PMP course. Step number 3, prepare for the examination. Step number 4, take the online examination. Step number 5, clear the examination. Step number 6, receive the certification. So once you clear the exam, you will get the certification and the certification will be valid for 3 years. So step number 7, enjoy 3-year membership after receiving your certification. Then at end of the 3 years, you go for the renew the certification. That if you are a member, that you can go with the discount price for this renewal of this certification without attending the examination. Now, the information about the examination. The examination contains 180 total questions. 175 scored questions, you need to score the marks and plus 5 pre-test questions. Totally 180 questions and you will get totally 240 minutes. 4 hours, around 4 hours you will get it to complete this examination. In these 4 hours you will get 10 minutes, 2 breaks. In between that 2 breaks you will get it with the 10 minutes of that. So through 30 minutes and you need to attend 180 questions to complete this certification process. And if you are not pass in your first attempt of this examination, you can retake the examination. You continue your study and retake the exam. You may take the examination up to 3 times within 1 year of eligibility period. After 3 attempts, you must wait 1 year from the date of the last examination before you reapply for the certification. This policy is designed to uphold the exam security and reduce overexposure of examination. Questions to individual candidates. However, during this year, you are welcome to apply for any other PMI certification. In your 1 year eligibility period expires without you passing the examination, then yeah, you must reapply for the certification. And let's see what is the certification framework. What are the types of certifications are available? The PMI certifications show future employers that you have the practical knowledge, insights, professional experience and expertise to meet increasingly heightened project demands. With certifications designed for all experience levels, we already saw that you must have 3 or 5 years experience to take this examination. But then you have a question that if you don't have experience, you are a fresher, then are you eligible to apply for the PMI certification? Yes. If you are a fresher or if you have less than 3 years experience, you can go for project management ready certification process, and you can go for a certified associate in project management and PMI Agile certified practitioner, disciplined Agile Scrum Master, disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master. So these are the certification you can take for if you don't have a 3 years of experience. And if you have a 3+ experience, you can go for project management professional PMP certification and professional in business analysis and Agile value stream consultant and disciplined Agile course. So these are the experience if you have a 3+ years or experience skilled practitioner certifications. And also if you have a 3 years experience, instead of going for a PMB examination, you can go for a specialization certifications. For example, if you are a planner, you are a planning engineer, if you don't want the PMB certification, then you can go for a PMI scheduling professional certification. And if you are a risk management professional, then you don't want a PMB certification, you can only go take the PMI risk management professional certification. So these are all the specialized certifications you can take after your 3 years of graduation. Yes, this is the senior level practitioner certification. If you have 8+ years of experience, then you can go for program management professional and portfolio management professional. If you have a 3+ years experience, then you can go for a project management. But if you have a 8+ experience, you can go for a program management and portfolio management. Which means that multiple projects, you are handling a multiple projects person, or you are handling in a division, then yes, you are a senior level practitioner, you can go for program and portfolio management certifications. Now, we already saw the complete details of this PMI and PMB examination, and now let's join with this PMI. If you are joining with PMI, almost 700,000 PMI members, means around 7 lakhs or 700,000 PMI members worldwide already available to make the PM community smarter. And 300+ local PMI chapters around the globe, means the 300 local chapters are available around the globe in all the cities. It might near with your city as well. And if you are a PMB's membership, if you are activated, then you will get a $150 discount for your PMI certification process. And also you will get 1,000+ work smarter with the free tools and templates you will have. You can access in your PMI membership with that PMI website. So these are all the major and key things that we have discussed during this video, and we will have with more details in upcoming videos. So thank you so much for your valuable time. Let's see and soon see you with our next video. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.